This is the all-new Stokke Stroller Winter Kit. The Winter Kit is suitable for Stokke Xplory and Stokke Trailz. It is eco-friendly and water repellent. It comes with these amazing fleece-lined hand muffs to keep your hands nice and warm in the winter, and these are also available separately. The Winter Kit comes with this Windbreak, so this can keep your baby nice and warm in the winter. It also has the window, so you can see your baby easily. You can use the Winter Kit without the Windbreak, and then you can see the baby as well. The hood has this beautiful fur trim which is very stylish. We also have the thermal hood and the thermal back to keep your baby warm. The hood also has the extendable canopy. And that is the Stokke Stroller Winter Kit.